Welcome back to Social Science class. In this module, you will learn more about B.R. Ambedkar, the father of Indian Constitution and caste system. Caste and religious inequality still exist to a large extent in India. One of the most common form of inequality in India is a caste system. The caste system is more common in rural area than urban area. In Indian caste system, Dalit is a term used for the people who belong to lower class. A Dalit is often called as untouchable or Harijan. The word Dalit means broken. By using this word, lower castes are more discriminated. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, one of the greatest leaders of India, shared his first experience of caste-based discrimination, which took place in 1901 when he was just 9 years old. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is also known as father of Indian Constitution, and he is also the best Dalit leader. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was born into a Mahar caste, which was considered as lower caste during that time. He was the first person from Mahar caste who was able to pursue college and went to England to become a lawyer. Dr. Ambedkar fought for the rights to Dalit community and encouraged Dalit to fight the caste system and work towards a society based on respect. Dear children, do you know what you mean by constitution? A constitution is a document that lays rules and regulations that the people and the government has to follow in a country. Indian constitution recognizes every person as equal. Every individual in the country, including male or female, from all castes, religion, are equal before the law. In our country, there are laws to protect the people from discrimination and ill treatment. Let's look on to the important provision in the Constitution on equality. Every person is equal before law. No person can be discriminated against on the basis of religion, race, caste, and gender. Every person has access to all public places, including playgrounds, public wells, roads, markets, etc., and untouchability is abolished.